joined by producers Mylene Okiko and Oris Francisco, along with the cast Alexa Ilacad, Katie Estrada, Jameson Blake, and Kira Ballinger.
Shit, nakakabarong ulit. Ayun, first po, maraming salamat kay Lord, syempre, kunahin natin si Lord. Thank you, Lord, sa opportunity na to. And Pure Gold, maraming salamat. Direct Chris, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And of course, thank you so much to our actors, Katie Estrada, Alexa Ilacad, Kira Ballinger, and Jameson Blake. And also, I would like to thank my executive producer, Miss Mylene. Miss Mai, kita ka po dito. Tulong mo kong iwan. Sabi mo walang iwan na. But maraming salamat po. Ang collab po ay may kadigo ako. When two popular content creators face conflicts in their respective romantic relationships, they decided to form an unlikely collaboration. So isang malaking collaboration lang po to. So naniniwala po ako na to win in life, hindi po natin kailangan makipag-compete because competition is out, collaboration is in. What? And again, maraming salamat po and ibibigay ko na po ang mikropono sa ating mga artist.
Hello po, good morning to everybody. My name is Katie Estrada and I just want to thank Direct Jill and of course yung Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival and yung production namin White Space Studios and yeah, yung character ko po dito si Jared isa po siyang sikat na vlogger and his girlfriend broke up with him and hanggang dyan na lang po muna para hindi na po spoiler sa akin.
Ako po si Alexa Ilacad and I am the girlfriend that broke up with him. Sa kwento po. Pero good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ulit si Alexa Ilacad and I play the role of Peach, ang girlfriend po ni Jared. So, bale, I would also like to take this time and this opportunity to say thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa pelikula namin, ang collab, sa lahat ng mga supporters po namin. Thank you for hyping us each and every day. And syempre maraming salamat din po sa Pure Gold and Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival. And also to our acting coach, Direk. Thank you so much po. And ayan, thank you for being here and I hope everyone has a great day.
Exciting! Here I go now!
Well, medyo nasabi niyo na, no? So, copy paste, hindi, joke lang. But again, thank you so much, everyone. Lalo na to Cine Palalo. Thank you so much for having us. I'm just so happy to be here alongside with many amazing directors and student directors as well. It's so nice to see how inspired everybody is, and I'm sure everybody works so hard to make these films come to life. And ayun po, about my character, I play the character of Melody. Very artsy po siya, like me, Eme. Pero ano, hindi nga Eme, no? Our film is very relatable. It evolves around us vloggers and influencers. So I think that's what a lot of people are trying to be nowadays. So I think they would really enjoy our movie. And ayun lang, thank you so much for all the love and support.
Hello everyone, good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much Cine Panalo. Just want to say it's very refreshing to do this kind of project. It's my first time working with Direk, first time working with This Protection, and working with everyone. So I play as Clyde dito sa movie na to. One of the popular content creators that just wants to enjoy life. So yun lang. Thank you so much.
You know.
Right, now we would like to call on Direct Chris and Miss Ivy again for a photo op with a team of Cola.
First lang daw yung last. Waiting. Go, Cola!
Then we would like to call out the attention of the owner of a Toyota with plate number TTI 269 to please approach the vehicle to resolve the issue quickly. Again, that's a Toyota with the plate number TTI 269. For our our next film, while Direct Baby Ruth Villarama couldn't be here with us today due to a prior commitment, here with us to represent her and discuss their film. To invite our valued partners to join them on stage for a big group photo. We would also like to invite Sir Ricky Lee to join him on stage and Sir Bernie Lagos. Again, our valued sponsors from CMB Film, Terminal 6, Mobile Fund, Gateway Cineplex, MTRCV, and MFB Rentals. Again, we would like to invite our valued partners from MFB Rentals, CMB Films, Terminal 6, Gateway Cineplex. We'd like to ask that everyone settle down on their seats as we continue with our program. And there you have it, guys. Sobrang nakakainabot. Galing pala sa mga student films. And all the way to our 8th filmmakers. Nakakainabot pa naman din yung mga stories nila na pinapakita and yung mga kwentong gusto talaga nilang ikayo sa atin. Mga kwentong panalo ng buhay. Right? A huge thank you to our valued partners, our cast, and everyone.
Well, Phil is here, one of the most star-studded. Ang dami niya na-collaborate. Actually, I think bawat sequence ni Jill may celebrity guest.
We have Tito Boy Abunda, Sarah is Diggy Valdez, Dagala, ano?
I think the question is kahirapan naman mag-convince ng mga iba.
Tayo lang po kasi bago lang din po ako so it's a tie. Hindi medyo hindi naman po kasi again this is pure gold Cine Manalo and looking back dun sa previous year na festival laban naman po talaga yung mga entries. So para pag nung in-offer namin sa mga artista, madali naman po sila na Of course.
Okay, the question is, what does it mean for me to be a part of the Cine Manalo? Very honored po ako, and I'm very happy to have taken this opportunity. And sobrang, nakita mo po kasi I did some research sa mga 2024 entries. Ang gaganda rin po, and I thought to myself na if I do this, I will grow as an actor. So, thank you po.
I think it's actually my first time to ever be part of any festival. I think if memory serves me right. So I'm really excited and I'm really happy. When this was offered to me, I immediately said yes because I saw who I'm going to be acting with, which is Katie, Kira, and si Jameson. And I was really curious kay Direk Neil. So
yeah, I'm really happy to be part of this, and it's really nice that Pure Gold supports filmmakers and students as well, because students are the future din naman. So yeah, very happy.
Well, for me, I started off my acting career joining festivals, so it's an honor to be part of Cineparano. And I think it's always a great time that we have these festivals and to showcase the movies that we can create here. Not only to showcase the talents of the artists, but to also show how creative we can be when it comes to storylines, and also to see the other talents of the directors and everyone behind the camera. So yeah, it's an honor to be here.
Okay, thank you so much. We have